Hello everyone, my name is Jessica Anastasia Kianlin, a student from Universitas Metodis Indonesia. And now, I want to explain about a topic. But before that, I want you to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell of this channel. Okay, in this video, I will tell you about children and words. Beginning with the child's acquisition of words, like most aspects of first language acquisition, this process, once started, is something that parents and other adults take very much for granted. The very first strings of sounds produced by the child, which are recognized as words, are greeted with great acclaim. But from then on, sight is often lost of the child's massive achievement. In consideration of first language acquisition, it is customary to be concerned with questions of order. For example, if we suppose that part of what is involved in acquiring a language is the establishment of appropriate word classes and assigning specific words to those classes, we can immediately ask whether there is evidence that children acquire word classes in a particular order. Early words, a few facts. It has been estimated that small children acquire on average about 10 new words each day. While they sometimes make what adults regard as errors in their use of words, some of which we shall discuss below, in many respects children's early words are used with remarkable linguistic accuracy. Children's early production vocabularies exhibit a preponderance of nouns, typically used to refer to objects in the child's immediate environment. Example, Mummy, Daddy, Dolly, car. Alongside this, children are often quick to develop a small number of general purpose verbs. The sort of thing we have in mind will be familiar to parents and is illustrated by the following interaction. Parent puts hat on dog. Child removes hat, give it to parent, do it. Parent put hat on doll. Child removes hat, give it to parent, do it. Parent hides hat behind back. Child finds hat, give it to parent, do it. Parent indicates behind back. Put it here. Child nods. Do it. Here we see the verb do, or possibly the sequence do it, if this is the only context in which it appears, being used to cover a range of action, and reliance on one or more verbs of this type is characteristic of the early stage. Small numbers of adjectives, example, nice, big, and preposition, example, up, down, also occur in transcripts of early child speech. At the earliest stage, children do not string words together into phrases and sentences, nor do they systematically inflect words, so the more synthetic criteria for recognizing lexical classes. Apprentice in morphology consider the plural morpheme in English, the allomorphic realization of this morpheme as S, C, or Z is predictable by taking account of the phonological characteristic of the final segment in the singular form of a noun. The plural form of cats, cats, will not appear in the lexical entry for cat, adults. First, note that the mere fact that young children produce appropriately inflected tokens of cats, dogs, and buses while suggestive does not provide conclusive evidence for the above proposition. This is because there is every reason to believe that they will have here tokens of appropriately inflected forms in which we are interested. Lexical entries will contain information about irregular inflectional forms, broke, went, teeth, mice, but their irregular forms would not be listed in this way, as they can always be produced by reference to the rules of English morphology. The semantic significance of early words. Let's sketch what may prove to be a more promising approach to some aspects of early lexical development, part of a taxonomy: furniture, chair, table, bed. In chair there are kitchen chair, armchair, garden chair, table, coffee table, dining table, occasional table, bed, double bed, single bed, camp bed. Taxonomies, short as the one in example, are very interesting for a number of reasons. For example, it will not have escaped notice that the move down the taxonomy from the basic to the subordinate level is accompanied by the appearance of morphological complexity. Kitchen chair, armchair. Okay everyone, that's all for the video. I hope you like it. Thank you to my lecturer, Dr. Esron Ambarita SSM Hum, for giving me this chance.